As we discussed in the previous section, a bitmap is a type of file format used for storing pixel data to later be able to represent digital images. But what is a file format exactly? File formats are a standardized means of organizing and storing digital images. We can think of them as containers that store a pixel array. This is our grid of pixel information, used for transporting the information from one platform to another. When storing an uncompressed image, we are storing the raw information of that pixel array. This allows for storage without altering the image and maintains the image in its highest quality format. A raw image is the highest quality that any given image may be, given that image's size and resolution. Certain image storing methods may also provide extra packing options for further reducing the file size of the image. This option is known as compression and is fairly common among most file formats. It is able to take a raw image and, through a series of packing algorithms, reduce its file size. To provide further control over your images, there are two different packing algorithms that allow for different results.